Lots of viewer questions on this Finance Friday. Let's get right to it with First Ontario's Dave Schurman. Good morning.
Good morning, Annette.
So Diane from Oakville wants to know, you save taxes by contributing to an RRSP, but when should you worry about the old age security clawback? RRSPs have to be converted to RIFs at age 71 with a minimum amount withdrawn every year. This could put you in a higher tax bracket. So could you end up paying more taxes in retirement than the tax that you save by contributing to your RRSPs? Great question.
Yes, thank you very much, Diane, for that. There's really two parts to it. I'll handle the first part on old age security clawback. Old age security is a benefit paid to us by the government. It's not a pension, so we don't contribute to it. So in that regard, the government gets to make the rules on it. They do start to, as Diane says, claw back old age security monthly benefits once you get over a certain income level in retirement. That income level right now is about $79,000. It's not significant. They'll start to claw back about 15 cents for every dollar in old age security over 79,000. So as an example, if your income in retirement was 85,000, you'd lose about $75 a month in old age security. So again, not significant and a good problem to have if you're making that much money in retirement. The second piece on paying taxes on RRSPs in retirement, typically you're not going to pay more taxes on RRSP withdrawals out of your RIF in retirement unless your income in retirement is greater than your income was when you made those RRSP contributions while you were working. It doesn't happen very often, not saying it can't, but again, it would be a good problem to have because it means your income in retirement is pretty significant.
Okay, another question here from Dominic. Do you have a cat with you, by the way?
I do.
It's making itself heard.
It's time to get fed. She's hungry.
Question from Dominic from Thorold. He asks, my wife and I recently retired and we will need to access our savings to supplement our pensions. We both have a TFSA and RRSPs. Which account should we withdraw funds from first?
Well, again, great question, Dominic. Typically, let's see the cat here, the cat again. Maybe she doesn't like my answers. Hopefully Dominic will like them better. Typically, it's best to take your tax-free savings accounts as your last funds to withdraw. And the reason for that is that there's no age limit on a tax-free savings account. So you can keep it in there forever, as long as you live, and it's always tax-free. So best to drain the RRSPs first and then save the tax-free savings accounts.
Okay, one third question today from Trish from Hamilton, who asks, my husband and I are 60 and 61 and retired. We both have RRSPs, but not a TFSA. We don't need to draw any investment income. Is it best to put a large amount into an RRSP, get a sizable refund, and then use that for a TFSA deposit? Or, she asks, max out TFSA first and then put whatever is left into the RRSP?
Well, another great question, Trish, a common one, and your first option is the best. Max out your RRSPs as much as you can, and then use that nice refund to fund your tax-free savings account. Now, something to keep in mind is that unless you have past contribution room, you may not be earning contribution room in retirement because pension income is not treated as earned income to make an RRSP contribution. So if you don't have any RRSP contribution left and you're not earning any, then obviously put it into a tax-free savings account. But good problem to have as well. Okay.
Dave, I am going to go over the giveaway thing. While I'm reading this, I want you to grab the cat so we can show the cat at the very end here. So thank you to Diane, Dominic, and Trish for your questions. If you have a financial question you want covered, email your questions to Dave at FinanceFriday at FirstOntario.com, through Twitter at Finance_Friday. And if your question or topic is selected to be covered on air, you will get a gift card from a local business in your community. Okay, Dave, have you got the cat? Okay, there we go. I think that this is the first cat we've had on a Skype interview. What's her name?
This is Sky.
Hello, Sky. Thanks for joining us today. And
I should have fed her first.
You should have. Great to see you, though, and great to see Sky as well. Thank you, Dave.
Great. Thanks, Annette. Take care.